How to get insurance in Cnfans. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar simply search for cnfans.com. Once you search for it, their official page is gonna open up. Inside their page, you want to go ahead and simply sign in to your account. Once you're signed into your account, you'll then be able to find this kind of interface in your screen. From your screen, go ahead and tap on the headset icon right over here and just like so type in insurance. So once you have typed in the insurance, you want to go ahead and click on I want to buy insurance, and just like that they will send you how you can do it. So you want to go ahead and simply tap on parcel first of all, and then after you do that, you want to go ahead and tap on pay. After you tap on pay, you will then be able to simply see this kind of interface. You want to go ahead and simply select this buy insurance button, and after you do that, you want to simply tap on confirm and pay. And just like that, you will then be able to get insurance on Cnfans. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.